Hello y'all, so I'm just putting a little bit of oil on the wig just to make the hair more shiny. So this is just, I use castor oil. I didn't really have any type of other oil, so that's what I used, and it was quite alright.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
I'm going to be using a hot comb to get the top part of my wig flat. It looks pretty flat at this angle, but I just wanted to make sure it was like as flat as it can possibly be. So that's what I'm doing now. I got the hot comb from Amazon, by the way. I will link it below.
Niggas round me, ride at it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know.
Now I'm sectioning off the hair to start the crimps. I will be using Got To Be Glued spray and on the actual parts before I crimp them. This is to make sure the crimps last longer. That is completely optional. You don't have to do that, but to make my crimps last long, I just did that. And I will link the crimper down below or put the name on the screen. I got it from Amazon as well.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I held the crimper to each piece of hair for about 20 seconds. And so the thing is that you want to hold the crimper on the hair and let that part crimp up. And then you want to catch the end part of that crimp you did before in order for it to flow correctly. That's the best way I can explain it. But, you know, you can just watch me do it. So that's what I meant. You have to catch that last dent and then start on a new dent.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all's over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. You might have to rise before this can't be your first time. We might have to before this still fresh in my mind. Looking for some things that I've never. You got that shit that somebody would love for, but won't fight. You might have to rise before this can't be your first time. Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh baby, oh baby, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
And just like that, these are the finished results. I would like to thank you guys for watching and tuning in today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.